हे, एक मिनिट, मैं सिलेबस ओपन करता हूँ. स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके. So here we go. This is your syllabus. Done. Okay. So this is your syllabus copy. I've shared already. Still, up, update me your mail IDs. I will mail you. So these are the three books which are recommended. Now, the syllabus which is designed, you will not find as this kind of a sequence in the books. But yeah, you can take a reference. So first book is Paul Raj Ponia, Web Warehousing Fundamentals. So what I'll do, I'll open one Google. Go to the syllabus, Web Warehousing Fundamentals. Copy this. PDF. Hope screen is visible. So I'm typing first book name, Web Warehousing Fundamentals plus PDF. So you can see here, this is the first link by P. Ponia. Okay. So here it is. So data warehousing fundamentals. Author is Paul Raj Ponia, as are in the syllabus. Paul Raj Ponia, John Village publication. So Ville publication, John Ville Sunset. So this is the book. You can see 518 pages. Then here you can see the download button, right? So you click on this, it will ask the path where you want to download. Okay, so you can have this. I'll create new folder. Books, I'll give the name. Books, data mining books. Okay. Name will be automatically there. You can save this. So it will start downloading. It will get saved. So I'll go to this folder. Yeah, I can see here. So this is the book which will get opened. Okay. So I do have this PDF. If you observe the size, almost it is 4 MB. Bit slow down. Yes, you can observe size on disk 4 MB. So it is not possible to upload on the Moodle. But yeah, you can download as I said. So in Google, type the book name Web Warehousing Fundamentals plus PDF. First link is there. You can see here by P. Ponia. You can download this. So the books which are available, those links will be there and you can download it if those are free. If some paid books are there, definitely I'll also try to show you how to download. So this is one book which I got now. So go to second. Now data mining introductory and advanced topics. So these are the textbooks which are given. So copy that, put it here and PDF. Yes, this is the author, Dunham. So open in new tab. So this was there already with us. Second. Okay. So you got it. So we can see MH Dunham, Pearson Education. Micra. MH Dunham. So this publication will see Pearson. Yes. So we do have this. Yeah, we can download it. Okay. So again, click on this button. Ask where to save. So already we have created one folder, books DM, Dunham data mining. Save. It is also getting downloaded. Now we see third book is data mining concepts and techniques. Copy this. Go to Google again. Data mining concepts and techniques. Okay. By Han and so author Han Camber, Morgan Kaufman. Okay. So we can see here it is downloaded. Yeah, third edition. I think in the syllabus edition is not written. Okay, no problem. Whichever edition you get free on, you can download it. So data mining concepts and techniques. Han and Camber. Yes. MK publication. Morgan Kaufman publication. Okay. So you get this third book. Again, click on this download. You can see here already we have created one folder and you can click on save. It will get downloaded. Now let me check what is the size of this. This is 16.8 MB. Previous was 4 MB, comparatively smaller, but this is again 12 MB. So that's why it is not possible. I was trying again and again, but these books are not getting uploaded on the Moodle. So I thought that, yeah, these are the simple methods, but thought that you will get a material at your side also. You can download within minutes, it will get downloaded. No problem. Once things are available to you, you can study better. Next also we'll try mastering data warehouse design. This is a reference book which is given. Okay. Imhoff is the author. Jaeger. Ville Dream Tech publication. So let's see. Yeah, it is getting downloaded. So all four books are available free in downloading. So mastering data warehouse design. Yes. Okay. Ville publication. I think no problem. You can download all the books, reference books and textbooks. Okay. It's available. Everything. Click on download. 457 mastering. Okay, just give the name. Data warehouse design. Image techniques. So I think no problem. I think no problem. All the books are available free. So you can download all this free books. So no need to go for any other techniques. All books are available easily. From my side, the problem is that I'm not able to upload it. So this is also more than 2 MB, 202.56 MB, you can see. So that's why it is not possible to upload any book on the Moodle because there is a limit of 2 MB. Still, I'll try to give you other way. So other way is that hope you have seen the how to download the books at your side. If any problem, otherwise I will mail you. No problem. Again from mail also you have to download. So I suggest better to search in the Google and download at your side. Still, if you wish, you can type your emails in the textbook. Sorry, in chat. I'll send you right now. So you can type your mail IDs in the chat. I will send you the book. Hope I am audible.
सर आता सेंड करायचंय का मेल?
तुम्हाला आता पाहिजे असेल तर मी लगेच पाठवतो चॅटमध्ये टाकला तर किंवा तुम्ही तुमच्या साईडला डाउनलोड करू शकता. मी दाखवलंय. All four books you can download. 3 textbooks and 1 reference book. Easily available. Just select first link itself. Just type from the syllabus copy the names of that book and PDF plus PDF you write. First link automatically it will get you can say new window, new tab. Open the PDF file. Just click on save and save it. Name it and save it. It will get downloaded if you have a active internet. No problem. I think. जर असं
ओके सर.
हां,
तर
हां
हां.
बोला.
हां. तरी पण करून ठेवतो मेल.
हो, हो, हो. मेलला तुम्हाला माझ्याकडे अजून काही वेगळं असेल तर म्हटलं मी ते पाठवत राहीन. लिमिट काय होते की
तेच. हां.
Moodleला
ठीक आहे.
2 MBचं लिमिट आहे ते घेत नाही. आणि हे सगळे बुक्स
ठीक
तुम्ही
आहे, ठीक
बघितले
आहे.
स्वतः की 2.5 किंवा त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त MBचे आहेत. काही 16-12 MBचं बुक आहे. आपल्याला तेवढा सिलेबस नाही पण त्यांनी
चालेल.
रेफरन्सला दिलेलं आहे. असेल तर काही हरकत नाही. हो.
ठीक आहे.
आय थिंक वी विल स्टॉप हिअर. पुढच्या लेक्चरला मी काय करतो की तुम्हाला त्याच्या अगोदरच फाईल पाठवून ठेवतो सेव्ह करा, तुम्ही डाउनलोड करा आणि आपण डिस्कस करूयात MCQs आणि प्रोबेबल त्या रेफरन्स मधलेच टेस्टला असतील.
ओके.
We will stop here. Thank you very much for joining. तुमचे मेल आयडीज टाईप करा चॅटमध्ये, मी तुम्हाला मेल पण पाठवून ठेवतो.
ओके सर.
पूनम, एम आय ऑडिबल?
येस सर.
तुम्हाला मेल करायचा आहे का, म्हणजे का तुम्ही डाउनलोड करून घेताय स्वतः? यू कॅन टेल मी.
नाही सर, आम्ही मेल करतो, म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे एक्स्ट्रा काय असेल तर तुम्ही देऊ पण शकाल.
येस येस येस, दॅट विल बी बेटर.
हा ठीक आहे.
Else what I will do, I will type my mail ID here. You can send me the test mail from your side. I will reply to that. It is virendra.dhotre@sknscoe.ac.in. So you can copy from chat. This is my mail ID, virendrakumar.dhotre@sknscoe.ac.in. You can send me the test mail. I will reply. I will send you the material. Because on Moodle it is not possible to upload due to the size limitation. Hope you have copied this. Chat मध्ये तुम्हाला दिसतंय का मेल आयडी? कॉपी करून घ्या.
हा सर.
ओके, आणि मला टेस्ट मेल पाठवा, मी तुम्हाला रिप्लाय करतो. ओके
ओके.
We'll stop here. In next lecture we'll discuss the MCQs regarding 2 units, both units. Okay, thank you. You can leave, no problem.